Fulfilled by Noon, or better known as FBN, is one of the delivery modules offered here at Noon for our sellers. FBN is where your orders are completely fulfilled by Noon. As a seller, all you have to do is build a catalog with the images, description, and pricing for each of your products. Once your catalog is built, you'll have to book an ASN or an advanced shipment notice with the quantity of products that you'll be sending to one of our fulfillment centers nearest to you. This is the document that our warehouse team will use to cross-check all the items we've received at our dock. We have multiple warehouses and fulfillment centers across the UAE, KSA, and Egypt, and you can book your ASN to the one nearest to you. Once received at the warehouse, our team will do a quality check on your products and then store them according to their category. Once an order is placed by a customer, our warehouse team will ensure that it's picked, packaged, and shipped off for delivery within 24 hours of purchase. Noon will also take care of any returns that have been made by any customers within the first 15 days of purchase, and you will automatically receive payments on a weekly basis. So in short, FBN ensures that your customers receive their order in a shorter time period. With this, you can sit back, relax, and let Noon take care of everything for you.